Now we are going to work on the next feature, which is called Revolve feature. And you can see there the operation is working on the basis of profile, and second one is axis. It requires a planar axis there, and you can see there now we are going to work on the Revolve feature. Just like this, we can create a feature kind of this, a half feature we have to draw there. Then after that we will revolve the object onto the particular axis. That can be vertical, that can be horizontal, or that can be of any kind of angle. So we are working on the same thing here. So now we will see there, we have to draw the object like this. The size, the length of the object is around 100, and here you will see the option which is 30, and here 15. That length will be 50. Angle need not to give, because this point and this point is totally visible there, so we can draw that according to the feature. So now we are just going to enter into the sketcher module. Here we have to draw one sketcher. Front plane we have selected. The axis we have to drive, and after that vertical, horizontal, vertical line, and now we have to draw a line segment here. Give the size. The size we need to have is 100 as per the drawing, and now we have to make it symmetric. Now draw the line segment here of having the size 30. So we are just giving the size 30, and now after that give the second value. That length will be around 50 as they showed us, which is 50, and now just make it 20. Now after that close it. Now we have got the closed entity here. Exit from the feature, and now we will see there they have showed us 30 radius also. So we can define radius also. So just re-enter the sketch number 1, Ctrl+8. Now use the feature filleting, and here we have defined the filleting radius is 30. Done. Just exit, and now make it isometric, Ctrl+7, and then after that just make it revolve like this. Here is a feature which is called revolve or base feature, revolve base feature or revolve cut feature. So both feature we can apply here. I'm just applying here the one feature which is revolve base. Just pick the entity, and now it will ask you the revolution axis. So that axis will be taken automatically. If you want to give some other axis, so just clear selection, and now pick this one. This will be the center axis, and the object has been derived with help of that. And if you want to give the radius, so that will be shown like limits, blind, vertex, surface, offset from surface, and midplane. So here we are defining the value 180, then semi profile will be there. If I am giving here 360, 360, so the profile will be of 360. So if I want to make it thin feature, so that will be a thin feature. The size I'm defining here is around 5 millimeter. So or complete or automatically will be given a defined value which is 5 m. So but I don't need to use this option right now. I'm just going to, so we'll see there the revolution has been done, and now we'll see there if I want to make it hollow, so we have the option for making it hollow, but right now we cannot use the option like shell feature or something like that. We will discuss this topic in our next sessions. So right now we have the option which is called revolve cut. So I'm just using the same plane here, which is front plane on which we have derived the previous model. So now we have to go for new sketch, Ctrl+8, and now you can see there we can draw again a center line as we drawn previously. Now make it a defined length, size you need to give The previous size was 50 millimeters. So now we have to define, if I want to give the thickness of 5 millimeter, then 5 should be less. It means the 45 value should be there. What was the size? Let me see in my previous view. 30 millimeter was there. So that should be 25. Re-enter the sketch. We can re-enter the sketch by clicking here, and here is the option edit sketch. Now give the size 25, and now here should be complete length, and again this should be given here. The length should be given. Previous one was 20, so that should be 15. And now after that, you have to give the length of this. This one should be around 50, and then after that close the segment, and now just this previous size was 30, so there should be 25, less than 5 millimeter. And now after that just exit and just make it revolve cut. Axis, same thing will be there, and OK. Whole entirety will be followed.